Hi and welcome to GRASPx Robotics 101 series.
Today we are going to learn about smart street light project. Whenever the light gets off, our street light gets on, and if the light gets back, our street light's off. So let's get into it.
So the hardware we are going to need is Arduino UNO, one breadboard, an LDR sensor, one LED, and two resistors. One is of 10k ohm that goes with the LDR and another is of 330 ohm that goes with the LED. Few male-to-male jumper wires and an USB A to B cable to upload the code. Let's make the hardware connections now. Take your breadboard and plug the LED across two vertical rails. Remember, from the positive end, that is the longer end, put your 330 ohm LED like this. Now take your LDR sensor and put it across two different vertical rails. So it's going to be plugged like this. From any end, take your 10k ohm resistance. Make sure one end is common. Put it up like this. So now take your jumper wire and from the negative end of the LED, go to the ground here, and for the positive end through the resistor, go to pin number 9 on this end. For the LDR, same, the end of the resistor goes to the ground pin, the middle one of the LDR and the resistor common goes to very important pin number A0 here, and the LDR start goes to 5 volt. So this is our completed hardware. Now take your A to B cable and put it across the Arduino. So our circuit is completed here. Once you plug this on, the LED light gets on. Now let's move to coding. Sketch screen. Now before void setup, we will be introducing variables. So that are int LDR, which is our sensor, is equals to A0 because it is connected to A0 pin, and same int LED is connected to pin 9. We have declared this too. Now, so you remember in setup, we tell what are these pins used for. Now instead of writing A0, we will write LDR, and it is going to take the input. That is, it is going to measure the intensity of the surrounding, light intensity, and the LED is going to tell the output. If there is darkness around, the LED will get on. Then we need to calculate what is the intensity, right? So we will add one new variable that is called data, and it is going to read the analog values, not digital, the analog values from the pin A0, not A0, LDR pin. These variables are added here to avoid confusion. Okay. And now we need to also print it because we are not going to know what the PC knows. So we are going to add a function called as serial dot print ln of what? Data. We are going to print the data. But just to show it in a better manner, I am going to write serial dot print of in inverted colon, comma, light intensity. Okay, and do not forget semicolon everywhere, and add a delay so that we can read those value. Delay of 500 microseconds. Is there anything missing? So we have used serial print, but for that we need to set it up. Serial dot begin of baud rate 9600. It is the speed at which the data is getting transferred. Now this is ready. Let's check our code. So it is giving no error. Now I will upload this code, and since the environment light is on, I will see the high intensity here. It's compiling the sketch. Once it's done, yeah, no errors. I will open this serial monitor, this icon right here. It is showing the light intensity as 609. Now if I dim my light, the light intensity should decrease, right? So I am going to dim the light, and you can see the intensity being decreased. Now let's turn it off and see. You can see that the value is dropping below 40, right? It's in 10 and single digit now. We'll turn it on again. So you can see this value coming back to high again. So now I have known that for the darkness I need some intensity less than 50, let's say. So I will use the if loop right below the line of data, right? If my data value is less than 50, what do I need to do? I need to turn on my LED, right? So it's going to be digital right. My LED needs to be high. Okay. With the, let's give delay here as well, delay of 200 microseconds, let's say. And if it's not, then we write it in else digital right, and the LED is going to be off. So when there is darkness in the ambience, we need our street light to be on, and when it is bright, that is the intensity is more than 50, it needs to be off. Let's go ahead and upload it. Okay, error. So these errors can also happen with you. I will also give you the code in the description. You can either copy paste it or write it. Okay, so there are a lot of errors. Else has no bracket, it seems. And yes, it's uploaded. So you can see that the LED is off here. Now let me go ahead and turn off the light. Once I turn off the light, the LED should turn on. It has turned on. Can you see it? Now let me turn it on, the light again. It has turned off. So this is our smart street light project we did, and thank you so much.